you're gonna install the new mirror back on. Slide it in, line up the holes. Hey guys, Shalom from Red Moto. So today we'll be doing a removal and install of a 2020 Honda Civic 4-door sedan Savvy mirror. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification, and also hit that like button. If you guys need any prepaint auto body parts, go to redmoto.com, your prepaint auto body parts source. Also, these parts right here, you can go ahead and purchase down below on the link that we provide for you. Thank you. So let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is open the door.
Duh.
All right, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna remove the switch right here. So let's see if we can just pull it up. It's pretty tight on there. So if you guys get a flathead right here, just be very careful you don't damage the armrest or the cover itself. But you kind of wedge it right here. Pull up, like softly, it should come right off. Go ahead and unplug it. Alright, so once you guys take off that cover right there, you're gonna see that screw right there. And that's just a Phillips. Like that. So just removing that screw is pretty much all you have to remove for right now. And then just go in the corner right here and you're gonna pull it and it's gonna release the tabs on the panel right here. So I can show you that now. Alright, so now you're gonna remove this cover right here. Same thing, just gonna pull it. And then you're gonna have the wire, you're gonna see the wire right here. And then these 10mm screws right here. Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead and unscrew it. Alright, so go ahead and unscrew it. Maybe a 10mm, like that. Alright, so now you want to take this clip off right here. Get something flat and soft like this and wedge it behind it. So all you're trying to do is get this tab right here to push it on each side. So anything flat can push it down. So now unplug it. The reason why I don't unplug it first, so in case the mirror falls, it doesn't fall all the way down. It's kind of still sitting right here, so it doesn't damage anything. So now you can unplug it, but hold on to it on the other side, like that. And now you can just wiggle it out and then feed it through. Alright, now that the mirror is uninstalled, you're gonna install the new mirror back on. Basically, make sure you only have one gasket on the mirror. Some people, whenever they receive our product, they put the gasket that we give them and put it on top of this. you only need one gasket. You can reuse the old one if you want, if it's not brittle or anything, or reuse the new one that we give you. Alright, so basically what you do first, slide it in. Probably best on the other side. Slide it in, line up the holes. So if this if the gaskets are misplaced, put it back in place. So now that it's in place, plug it in. If you don't plug it in, it falls. It's gonna damage the door and the side view mirror. So there you go. Go to the other side now. So now, well, this one is already on here, but put the clip back on. Clip it into place. You've already plugged it in. And now you're gonna put those bolts back into place. Don't force it all the way down. Once you feel it tighten, just like a little bit of a rotation should be fine. You don't want to break those studs. There you go. And before you put anything back into place, go ahead and test out the mirror, see if it works. Alright, once you determine it all works and functions correctly, put the cover back on. And you hear it click, so that's when you know it's in place. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and put the panel on it. So once you get the panel, just make sure these holes right here, those holes right here, actually, these holes right here, line up with these tabs right here, okay? So get the harness, feed it through. So now she just clip into place. I'll get that screw right here, screw it back into place. And then go ahead and plug it back up. That's it. Alright guys, so that's how you install a 2020 Honda Civic side view mirror. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And also, if you guys need any prepaid auto body parts, go to redmotor.com, your prepaid auto body parts source. Again, we'll go ahead and link down below the link to buy this side view mirror if you guys need it. Thank you.